This is the inside, the end of my island in my kitchen. And I had metal in here, an old metal antique sign that went inside the big metal frame I had on my wall. I'll try and insert pictures here. The sign said antiques. It was really cool, but you know, it was my taste alone, and it wasn't in great shape. It was really, the rust is what I liked, but I did have some tear places, and along the edge wasn't great. Somebody could really hurt themselves. So I had tongue and groove out in the carport that was left over actually from doing the island. And I said, hey, let's just throw that in there. And I'll paint it white. I think it'll look good. The shelves are over here on the floor. They'll have to be cut down. See, it turned out okay. It's okay in the white. With the lights on. I am going to re-stain these boards when I do the countertop. I like it. Last year, when we got invited to the 41.36 for the 4th of July thing, driving into their property, I spotted a passion fruit. And we all went down and checked it out, and there was also a huge mullein plant there that we didn't know what it was, but I know now it was a mullein. But I grabbed one of the undeveloped pods, and I did get seeds, and they look like good seeds to me. So it is a absolutely beautiful vine, and I really, really, really want to try the fruit. I've never got to try it. All of my days growing up in the woods of Arkansas, I've never come across it. If I did, I didn't know what it was and didn't touch it, because we were taught don't eat things you don't know what they are. But I don't remember. But if I can get these to growing and I sell my property, I will pull some up and take them with me if I can get them to grow. They were in direct sunlight, harsh environment, not a lot of water either, so they will really love where they're going to be. I hope they grow. So now I have it raked. Raked the whole kit and caboodle. I have already moved one load of my mulch, which is beautiful. Let me show you. I have abundance of lizards. That's 1 year mulch. I kept it wet. Every time I watered the garden, I watered here. And I only turned it like 3 times. It's beautiful. I'm collecting it. And I've started a new pile down there. So I have a plan of using this transfer board as the main part of my step. And so it's going to control my length. And I was thinking, oh gosh, but I don't have to have it up under the step. It'll be pulled out in front of the step. So that's going to work. So 29.5 is what I've got to cut all of my boards at. And put this thing together. Well, not all of my boards. My sideboards won't be. 29.5. I'll have to cut 2 of them. Well, not these. These are my crossboards. My frame will have to get cut. I cannot remember what this wood come from. It's beautiful wood though. So, those are marked. It's a terrible working situation. So, I am going to do 229.5. This is going to be something we'll just swoop it up and put it inside the trailer as we leave on the floor. Where'd my square go? Oh, there it is. Front of my face. So it'll be like the first out and the last leave. Okay, so I have my length. What I need to get now is my width. And I have, let's see here. I have 3 3-inch boards, so that's 9 inches. 9 plus 7.5. So that's 9, 10, 16.5. So that gives me 16.5 deep, and it will come out. That'll be just fine. I think that will be just fine. So 16.5, and I'm going to put an inch between them. So it'll be 16, be 17, 18, 19, 20. So I will cut these boards at 20.